How's it going, everybody? This is Chef Aaron with Purple Pig Eats. I'm the chef owner. I'd just kind of like to talk to you a little bit about myself really quick. I've been cooking for 23 years. I've worked in such places as the Ritz-Carlton in Phoenix, the Hyatt Regency Hotel Company. I was also the executive chef for the Buckhorn up here. I prepare food at the farmers markets fresh. When I show up, I don't know what my menu is until I get there, so it's a challenge. So I like walking into a challenge. Looking forward to it, and if anything, Purple Pig Eats out.